Good night, everybody. Welcome to this new moon in Cancer. It's past 10 now, pretty sure. But I definitely wanted to hop on here and do a Reiki oil sending for this new moon in Cancer. It's not too late, okay? So even if, oh shoot, that was last night, I missed it. No, you didn't miss it, okay? So whether you are on live or you're watching this as replay, if you watch this as replay, go ahead and put replay in the comments. I would love to see that, and I would love to hear about your experience. I'm going to be sending some essential oils via Reiki for this new moon in Cancer, and I use essential oils and also crystals. Moonstone is a really good thing. Would be a really great stone. Also like angelite, okay? And got my stone here. Love my moonstone. I have my little vial of essential oils. Okay, we've got Marjoram, Clary, sage, lime, and bergamot in here. And then I've also got some crystals. You can't really see it very well. I've got some crystals in there as well. I've got some moonstone in there, okay? And so the frequencies of the oils, because they've got all these different constituents, right? Sorry, sometimes I geek out, but they've got a frequency to them. And just like with Reiki, how you can send that over a distance, I send the wonderful frequencies of these oils across to you, also via distance with Reiki as well. So if you want to know what crystals and what oils to use with each moon, I have an ebook of which essential oils to use. Now, there's the specific blends that I've made, and then there's the blends that are in the intro kit. So the intro kit, Cancer blends, I think it's Serenity. That's why I wrote it down in ebook so I don't have to memorize them all. I think it's Serenity and Cheer, if I remember correctly. I'll post it. So you can use these essential oils because the moon is about emotions, right? And essential oils, they have direct interaction with that limbic system, right? That nose limbic system, which controls mood, emotion, heart rate, blood pressure, all those different things, all right? So I love using essential oils to correlate with the vibes of the moon so we can stay high vibe. Hello, welcome, new moon in Cancer. I'm gonna do a Reiki oil sending here. Okay, so I also love the deck. It's the Moonology deck, and the card for the new moon in Cancer is this one here, and it says relax, because when the moon is in Cancer, this is a great time to nurture, not only nurturing others, but especially yourself. Do not forget about yourself. And this card, relax, seeing that and knowing, you know, Cancer, oh, practice self-care. And sometimes you hear self-care and you're like, oh, I need to take a bubble bath, da da da. Well, my self-care, you know what I did for my self-care? I got my groove on with my friend Clary at her adult hip-hop class. It was awesome. That's how I take care of myself. That is what helps me literally relax. I know that seems counterintuitive, just like jumping all over the place and getting some dance moves on, but that's what really resonates with my soul. So do what your soul is asking you to do. Okay, so I'm gonna read from the book as well, because there's like a little book thing that goes with the cards. And it says that this card holds divine feminine energy. And now guys, the divine feminine, reminders about that has been coming through a lot this week, okay? And drawing it strongly suggests that the goddess energy is on your side. Relax. You and your loved ones are being looked after. Whatever your heart holds dearest is safe and well, okay? One of the mindset things that we can do with that is spend time with people that you love and who love you. Develop a thicker skin, because sometimes we can be a little over emotional when the moon is in Cancer, so we can choose out of that. We get to choose out of that. We can always choose. Cherish what you have, and you'll have more to cherish. The affirmation that's suggested is, when I nurture myself, life nurtures me back. Okay, when I nurture myself, life nurtures me back. Okay, so whatever that looks like for you, do it. Like my friend Tanya is on here, and she is a ninja, like literally. And that's part of her nurturing her, right? It's all different forms. Okay, so right now I want to open up this space to do a Reiki oil sending with the oils here. Like I said, it's marjoram, clary sage, lime, and bergamot. I love bergamot especially. It's so great for the heart, and I'm smelling it really strongly tonight. So I smell them because my nose is wiser than me. As much as I know about the oils, my body knows it better. And so I breathe it in, and then I send it your way, okay? With all the love, with all the compassion, and allowing you to tap into that energy and choose in to that high vibe energy, that empathic, nurturing energy of a moon in Cancer, and it's a new moon. So what do you want to create this month? Now's the time to ponder that and think about that. What do you want to create? What do you want to nurture through this whole month? Great. So we've got the Moonstone, we've got the different oils. Bridge my heart to yours. And I just want to intend that the frequencies of these oils, combined with Reiki, that love, that energy that flows through all of us, be sent your way. May this new moon hold a whole deeper level of empathy, of nurturing for yourself and others. You have such a wonderful heart. You have a heart that is unique. Unique to your family, unique to everyone in your life, unique to this world. And it needs it. The world needs your heart. May you be able to show up as that greatest version of yourself. May this month you be able to tap in to a deeper sense of nurturing, a deeper sense of empathy for others and for yourself. Always the two. May we have a sense that we are all connected. That is the truth, my friend. We are all connected on an energetic and in a literal sense. You think about the different atoms. They are all connected. May these oils be able to touch your heart, touch your mind, bringing calm, bringing self-love, may you feel my love. I truly love you, my friend. As you ponder on the intentions that you want to set for this upcoming month, that is for your highest good, your greatest good, your most loved self. May it be. Thank you so much. If you would like to know like what oils to use and things during different moons and what phase the moon is in, what zodiac sign the moon is in, I have the ebook and I have the calendar. So you can just look on the calendar and see what it is and know what oils, know what crystals to use. Okay? I hope you have a wonderful rest of this new moon, this dark new moon in Cancer. We're moving into Leo over the next couple of days, so a really great time to like just let yourself shine, right? We've taken the time to nurture ourselves and regenerate ourselves, right? And now we get to just shine forth. All right. Have a great night. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you missed it, you can still watch the replay to receive that Reiki oil sending. And I would love to know what you felt. I would love to know what your intentions are, what your goals are for this upcoming moon cycle, what you're setting for this new moon. Have a great night. Love you all. Take care.